What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing analysis on SNAP ticker. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. As you can see, this asset has a massive movement to the upside right after its earnings report. Definitely it is a green earnings report and they beat the expectations. But before this movement to the upside, that was for more than 60%, mind-blowing movement, I have to say. It has a movement to the downside and it lost since its previous swing high about 32%. Definitely right here at this very moment, a lot of people who entered their position because of the double bottom pattern, they hit the stop loss order and they lost their money. And right after that, the movement to the upside just smashed them because some people entered their short position right here and they were liquidated as well. So with this asset you have to be extremely cautious, and I will show you in my technical analysis what should we expect next. So, and let's continue with the earnings report, and I have to say the earnings report is very interesting. So let me quote you just several paragraphs. Daily active users increased 20% year over year to 319 million. Fourth quarter revenue increased 42% and full year revenue increased 64% year over year. First quarter of positive net income as a public company. First full year of positive operating cash flow and free cash flow. And let me quote you Evan Spiegel, the CEO of this company. 2021 was an exciting year for Snap and we made significant progress growing our business and serving our global community. The strength of our core business has enabled to accelerate our investments in augmented reality, transforming the way that the Snapchat community experiences the world through our camera. So, and let me quote you their financial highlights as well. Revenue increased 42% to $1.3 billion in Q4 2021 compared to the prior year. First quarter of positive net income as a public company of $23 million in Q4 2021. Adjusted EBITDA improved 97% to $327 million in Q4 2021 compared to the prior year. Operating cash flow was $186 million in Q4 2021 compared to negative $53 million in the prior year. Free cash flow was $161 million in Q4 2021 compared to negative $69 million in the prior year. Definitely these results were the main catalyst for the company, and that's why they surged up right after this massive sell-off for more than 60%. And let me quote you this. First of all, the previous sell-off was made because of the Meta platform's earnings report. And I made a video about this company just yesterday, and they fall about 23.6%. Definitely, Meta stock was the catalyst for all the metaverse companies, metaverse-related companies, and that is why Snapchat also lost about 30% in its value. And right after the 60% increase in its value, let me show you what was the behavior of analysts. And Bank of America set a price target of $55, and Wedbush raised its target to $40 from $36. Though other firms updated their targets by giving them a haircut. Neutral Susquehanna cut to $42 from $60, and overweight Piper Sandler trimmed to $53 from $72. So definitely these two firms cut their expectations on the company, but overall let me show you that this company, according to TipRanks, has 25 ratings. 16 of them suggest to buy, 9 to hold, and 0 to sell. And the price targets are following. The lowest price target is $36, average price target is $55.78, and the highest price target is $81. And to the average price, it has an upside potential of about 43.36%. So definitely this company has an upside potential. And let me show you their smart money list. First of all, let me show you right here the overall sentiment of the institutional owners. And as you can see, the number of owners, it is a green bars, increased from the very beginning of its IPO. And definitely it is a good sign overall. So on top of that, let me show you that for now, this asset has a very strong support from retail communities, and on watchers section on stocktweets.com website, Snapchat is on the second place right after the Meta platforms, and on apewisdom.io it is on the fourth place, and this means this asset has a huge momentum for now. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let's zoom out a little bit and let's switch to 4-hour time frame, and let me show you what do we have in the previous months. So clearly we have something like this as our Elliott wave breakdown. This is our first wave, second, potentially this entire movement to the upside was the third one. Fourth wave has a double bottom pattern, and let's do it like this, and fifth wave at this very top. So we completed all 5 waves with its structure. This means it is only one wave on a greater scale, and we can project the retracement levels from the bottom of this wave to the top of this wave. And what do we have right here? Let me show you more thoroughly. We have a very good reaction from 0.382 level, and we were hovering for quite some time around this range. Then we had a bounce from 0.5, hit 0.382 and went lower. We don't have almost any reaction right here in the golden pocket pattern. We broke it to the downside, but instead of this, we had very good hit of 0.786. It is a $24.17 price point, and from this range we went higher. So this asset is quite technical, and I have to say that it is extremely difficult to make any breakdown of this movement to the downside according to Elliott wave theory. That's why we have to be cautious, because the Elliott wave theory shows us how many legs left until we'll have a trend reversal, and for now we don't have this information, and that's why we have to be extremely cautious. So let me show you that right here, if I switch to hourly time frame, and if I turn on the indicators, we have some kind of bearish divergence, because we have higher highs on the price section with the lower highs on RSI. 45 minutes time frame also have the same pattern, and I think every time frames until 15 minutes, yes, they also have bearish divergence. And definitely, if you want to enter your position and if you want to catch next leg, it is very dangerous to enter your long position right here, because huge volatility for now for this asset might cause you a lot of damages financially. And that's why, if you want to enter the position, in my opinion, on Monday we will see some kind of retracement to the downside, and definitely this retracement might be your entry points. But this movement is also extremely difficult from the Elliott wave perspective. It has only 2 wave structure. Definitely we don't have first wave right here. We just have this massive surge in price. That's why, despite of its bullishness, we might hit even double bottom with this range of 24.54. But for now it is too early to make this assumption. Just pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this top, and the levels of 0.382, 0.5 and 0.65 up to $30 price point might be your accumulation points if you want to enter the position. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!